Hello everyone, I'm back with another video. Here in this video we discuss how to make Microsoft Edge default browser on macOS. So with that being said, let's get started. Before making Microsoft Edge browser the default browser on your macOS, you have to install the browser. So I already have a video on how you can install Microsoft Edge browser on macOS. So I'll provide the video link in the I button, or you will get the video link in the description box. After that, simply open Microsoft Edge browser, then click on this three-dot icon. Now here click on settings, then click on default browser option, and here you will get the option to make Microsoft Edge your default browser. For that, simply click on make default button. Currently Safari is the default browser on my Mac. So if I want to make Microsoft Edge browser, then I will simply click on use Microsoft Edge. There is also another method to change the default browser on your macOS. For that, simply open System Settings. Here click on Desktop and Dock option. Simply scroll down and look for Default Web Browser option. From the drop-down menu, simply select your preferred browser. So that's it. This is how you can make Microsoft Edge the default browser on macOS. I hope this video was helpful to you. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. Bye for now. See you next video.